Good afternoon, Nick here with DOS Trucks with another walk around video for you. If you want to stay up to date on the videos and vehicles as we list them, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button as well. Here we have a 2010 Hino 268. This is going to be a 20-foot box outfitted with a Reefer system. So the box is going to be insulated, outfitted with that AC system. Take you around the whole truck. Also has a liftgate there as well. 2,500 pound capacity liftgate. Show you the tires. Interior is super well kept, super clean, especially for a 2010. Very nice still. This truck has 359,000 miles currently. It is an automatic 6-speed as well. No lights, runs good, and that's the 6-speed there. Go ahead. So there it is, our 2010 20-foot Reefer box truck. If you're interested, you can find the website URL as well as our phone number in the description. Thanks for watching.